Hello and welcome back to the 4-week online faculty development program on communication skills and personality development organized by Government Polytechnic Hingoli. I am Dr. Madhvi, a cognitive behavioral life coach practitioner. Here in third week, second session, I am going to deliver my views on developing soft skills. We are going to witness the great change in education system proposed after 34 years. Skill-based education will be the base of newly proposed education system, and in that the soft skill will definitely have the top level. Soft skills are personal attributes that influences how well we get acquainted with others in the society. Highly skilled people are the assets of our society. So in this session, we will learn important soft skills, among that leadership skills, goal setting process, decision making process. So let us begin our second session. First, let us understand the important soft skills which are very essential for 21st century. Those are the leadership skills, goal setting, decision making, critical thinking, creativity skills, collaborative, communication skills, information literacy, media literacy, and technology literacy. We all love to live as we want. We want to rule our own life the way we want. Sometimes we definitely like to follow others. Some people are really different from normal. What is the special in that? The leadership is not a position or just a title. It is the action and example. Our great freedom fighters, social reformers like Martin Luther King, Mahatma Gandhi, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and many more personalities flash in front of our eyes when we think about the leadership. A true leader is always on forefront, support others, motivate subordinates, helpful, and takes initiative. The qualities that make leaders different from others are effective communication. A leader has to be a good speaker with a proper voice intonation, what to speak, when to speak, and how to speak. The leader should be well aware of, and he also should be aware what not to speak and when not to speak. The good leader should have a sense of responsibility. He should promote the teamwork and always keep the people together as a team. Decision making. These decision making skills we are going to discuss in details at the end of this session. The leader should be a good problem solver. He identifies the strengths of other people and reinforces them to empower them. Leaders should always be empathetic and think about others selflessly. Leaders always accept the change and rather they are the integral part of positive change in the society and are courageous in critical conditions. So, in this corona pandemic situation where the employability of a person is measured, the leadership skills stand at high priority in seeking the jobs as well as in terms of entrepreneurship. The leader is a strong bond between society and a common man. The teacher is a great architect, an engineer, and a great doctor also. They mold the students through all possible way to bring a great leader out of them. How they do it? How do they do it? Teacher inspire the students to work hard and honestly. Teacher will work on their listening and communication skills and allow them to take their own decisions. stand strong for the truth, imbibe a sense of responsibility, and let them be accountable for their actions and its consequences. Marching ahead directionless ultimately ends up in failure. Last session, we touched the topic of goal setting. What do we mean by goal? The goal, it is a collective result or final step that one decides to reach and committed to achieve. Goal can be performance related or development related. And goal setting is a step-by-step process or efforts to achieve the desired purpose. One should always set a SMART goal. What do we understand by SMART? S stands for specific, M is measurable, A is achievable, R is realistic, and T for timely. So that you can stay focused, always alert, and also control your distractions. You can measure your capacities and slowly, steadily move ahead to become confident and successful. When we think about our students, especially setting the SMART goals for students can include working for their higher grades, maintaining timeline, setting the deadlines for the projects, learning new languages, conquering adverse conditions through hard work, raising their academic and skill-based standards to have a happy and successful life. Now, once the goal is set, how to achieve it? Here are some steps to achieve your goals. Let us know what are those steps. First, you set a goal very religiously. Then, a proper planning is an essential part of goal setting. Quality efforts will definitely help you to move a step ahead. Consistency in efforts and ultimate step is reach your goal. Though it sounds and looks very simple, a strong willpower is required to follow these steps. When you are following your goal, many a times you come across problems, difficulties. At times you may feel, I should just leave everything and go away. Sometimes we feel whether we should continue or should we stop here only. So to be or not to be, that is the question. It is a situation of great confusion and you really must have a strong decision-making skills to clear the doubts. These are the times that test our patience. So sit, be calm and cool. Avoid distractions. Focus on your target and hit the goal. Now, how to hit the goal and how to achieve the decision-making skills? Let us understand that. First, try to understand what is the problem. Let us make it elaborative by understanding this step. Once you understand your problem, try to identify the solution of your problem. Then take the decision to implement the solution. Look for what information or tools are required to find your proper solution for your problem. Find the alternatives for standby provision. It means always plan B should be ready if plan A doesn't work. Check the authenticity of your decision. Look for the practical application and think about the consequences again and again. Because once the plan is implemented, you cannot return. Choose the right option or alternatives while you begin. Bring the plan into action. Many a times we write down a big planning on the piece of paper, but we are very reluctant to bring it in the practicals. So, bring the plan into the action. Start working on it. Wait for the expected results. Do not get demotivated in between. Keep your efforts very persistent. Once you proved that your decision is correct, you have got a real solution of your problem. Your decision making capacities are already upgraded. We have tried to gather maximum information about three major soft skills. Those were the leadership skills, goal and goal setting, and decision making skills. Up till now, we all are well equipped with the techniques to develop our personality and to have proper communication skills. So let us promise ourselves to practice the learned techniques in day-to-day life to get maximum benefit of this program. So take care, stay safe. Thank you.